Hello everyone, my name is Jesus Nahara and I'm a library assistant with the LA County Library. I'm here to share information about some of the many ways you can pay for college. The first thing to do is to figure out what job or career you want. Now, this is not an easy question and most adults are still figuring out their answer. Luckily, we partner with BrainFuse and they have something called eParachute, and it helps you discover the college majors and careers that match your skills and interests. It's free and you can find this resource on our LA County Library website or use the link in the description below. The next step is choosing a school that is a good fit for you. Have a talk with your parents and find out how much your parents can or can't help you with college costs without taking on debt. You'll have more money in your pocket after you graduate by not taking on any college debt. List your potential schools. Ask yourself, why am I drawn to these schools? Research and compare costs. In-state schools will be more affordable than out-of-state schools. Same goes for public versus private schools. Finally, choose your school. Now, it's time to fill out the free application for Federal Student Aid, also known as FAFSA. This is a form schools will use to decide how much money to offer you for college and what kinds of aid you qualify for, such as student loans, grants, work study, and scholarships. It's recommended to complete the form regardless of family income or if you think you will not qualify for anything. Visit studentaid.gov for more information and deadlines. Now, let's find out how to search for scholarships. Talk with your guidance counselor. They're a great resource to finding scholarships. They might know about scholarships offered by local community organizations or local businesses. Contact college financial aid offices. You can contact each individual school you applied to or look up scholarship info on the college websites. Ask your parents' employers if they offer scholarships. There are many companies that provide scholarships to their employees' kids. Ask your parents to connect with their HR department to find out if the company offers scholarships. Research organizations in your field of interest. If you know you want to major in engineering, spend time researching the college scholarships offered by NASA or organizations that relate to your specific major interest. Use an online scholarship search tool. Treat this like a part-time job because you'll be asked to write essays, answer difficult questions, or even interview. If you spend 2 hours filling out a $500 scholarship and you receive it, you can think of it as if you were making $250 an hour, which is a pretty awesome part-time job. And don't skip on the $50 or $100 scholarships because they can easily add up, especially if you start applying as early as your freshman year of high school. Ask a librarian. We have 85 LA County Library locations and we are ready to help you find any resources that you may be searching for. Some other ways to save and pay for college are work during college. Work 20 hours a week and you'll still have plenty of time to study and socialize. And if you don't go to summer school, try to get a full-time seasonal job to earn more income. Go to a community college. Save thousands of dollars by getting your general education requirements at a community college, then transfer to a four-year school. There are also some community colleges that offer free education for the first 2 years. Serve in the military. Military service offers education benefits that can be used while you are on active duty or after you leave the military. Each branch has its own tuition assistance programs, college funds, and scholarships. Talk to an education service officer, counselor, or recruiter for more information. You can also visit a college's Veterans Resource Center page for additional information. Live at home. An education data initiative study shows that you can save a yearly average of $11,451 for on-campus housing and $10,781 for off-campus housing just by living at home. Some of the books I recommend on how to pay for college are Pay for College Without Going Broke by Kalman A. Chany and Debt Free Degree by Anthony O'Neill. We hope you have enjoyed how to pay for college. You can find all the links and resources mentioned in this video in the description box below. Visit lacountylibrary.org for more information about library services and events. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.